Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD 5 speaker and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find the DJ effects in your application and what is that. So as you can see, now we are in the Sony SoundConnect application, and in the main menu of the application we have to scroll to the DJ control here. We have to tap on that and now you can use some custom, as you can see, sounds. We have here a robot, drums, scratch, audience, voice, phaser, return, rhythm. Here we can disable the DJ, enable the DJ, check the isolator, or set the custom equalizer. And our DJ control is to just boost our party experience. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.